Hi, second grade. We are now on page 33. You can see right at the bottom. We're back in our handwriting. It looks like we are practicing the letter R. So we're going to do big line down. That's the first step. We're going to go over here. Big line down, swim up to the top, and little curve. That is our lowercase r. Here is our uppercase. Big line down, frog jump to the top, little curve, diagonal line. Big line down, frog jump to the top, little curve, diagonal line. Big line down, frog jump to the top, little curve, diagonal line. So I'm taking my time. It's important so that we can do our best. Here's our lowercase. Good job. Everybody, I'm sure, is taking their time and doing great. Okay, and here are some words with the letter R in them. Slower. I'm going to trace. Slower. Fast. And tall. Okay, so what they're asking us to do is add ER, just like they did for us in slower. So we're going to add the ER and make fast, faster. Tall, taller. Now we're going to add ERE. So let's trace. When you add ERE to H, it becomes here. When you add ERE to TH, it becomes there. And when you add ERE to WH, it becomes where. If it didn't have the H, it would be were. So this with the H is where. Add EAR. When you add it to a D, we get deer. Like the deer as if you were writing a letter. Dear second grade. This is an example. Dear second grade, Mrs. Buck and I miss you so much. We hope you're doing well. Love, Miss Belalis. Not to be confused with DEER, which is the animal. Okay, near. N-E-A-R. Near. I am sitting near my friend. Near. And year. Y-E-A-R. Add A-R. Star. S-T-A-R. When you add A-R to C, it becomes car. And when you add A-R to F, it becomes far. Okay, let's go to the back page. We're now on page 34. It looks like we are doing the letter N. So here's our first step. Dive down or big line down, whichever you prefer. So it's kind of like we're making an R. It's the same exact step, and we take it a step further to make it an N. So here is our uppercase. Big line down, frog jump to the top, diagonal, straight up. So we're going to trace and then write our own. Trace, do the check. In our lowercase, just like the R, except we go all the way down. Sometimes this is an easy one to get a little sloppy, and we don't want to rush so that it's like that, because then we might get that confused with an R, so make sure it comes all the way down. Take your time. Okay, let's go to our words with N. Copy the words. Noisy. So we're going to trace and then write. N-O-I-S-Y. It's a little bit of a tricky spelling, so now you all, if you didn't know already, you learned how to spell the word noisy. Trace and write. Make sure we're in the lines there. For this one, we'll have to come a little bit underneath for that G. Winning. So you're probably familiar with win and winning, but when you spell winning, you add an N with the ing. So it has two N's. Winning. Tracing. And writing our own. Awesome. Never. N-E-V-E-R. N-E-V-E-R. Never. Never. Okay, and you are done. Great job today.